Hi, welcome to Promenade at 5. I'm Penny Boyd, one of the site managers here that sells the homes to our homeowners here. We've sold 135 in just over 2 years now, so we're really proud of this community. Franciscus Homes is proud to show you today 4802 Promenade Lane. So this is our Cadenza plan, and it's 3 bedrooms with a lot of space in there, 1,774 square feet. So let's go take a peek. Just want to point out, all of our doors come with these locks like this, so you can just leave your keys inside and punch a code to get in, and you have no worries. Okay, so we're inside of 4802 Promenade Lane now, and this is our Cadenza plan. It's 3 bedrooms with huge space here. If you notice, you can see how much room you have to put your living, dining, and we've even got a wonderful outdoor area. And we'll talk about the kitchen in just a second, but let's go move forward and look here at the beautiful deck here. It's a double deck. A portion of it is covered and a portion not, so you can have the sun or you don't have to. We find that people love this because they're up so high, they can see, you know, pretty far, and it just feels like a nice outdoor space, but you're not actually on the ground, you're up higher so you can see further. Then we're gonna go to the kitchen. Now, I think everybody's concerned about a kitchen. They want it to be as usable as possible, and a lot of people are getting into cooking and that now. So let's just talk about some of the features we have here in the kitchen. We've got a nice granite bar here, and we've got the the flagship cabinets here. So those are the shaker style, and those are a little bit of an upgrade, but they're all obviously in this home. We don't have the appliances, but the standard appliances would be a stainless steel range, smooth top range, microwave, garbage disposal, and dishwasher. If you want to add a refrigerator, washer, and dryer, you could add that as well. We don't have the appliances in this home yet, but the standard ones obviously would come standard. And then the sink, we've got the pull-out faucet so that you can spray it. You can spray it, or you can just use it as a regular straight flow. Okay, let's turn that off. So let's come over here. I want to show you the drawers here. We added some drawers because we think a lot of people like to use these. It seems to maximize the storage space in your kitchen, and so we've done that. And we also have the cabinets, and then we've got your laundry area here. So this is plumbed for a stackable, full capacity washer and dryer. And then over here on this side, if you look, you can see we've got the shelving for pantry area, and should you not want anyone to see it, we have a pocket door to close it off. So now let's go look at some of the bedrooms. We've got a bedroom over here that's off the kitchen, and it's used a lot for people who want to have a separate little den area, or it makes a great office. And I think probably that is the way people use this room the most. Got the 3 little windows up there. It lets light in, but you still have the wall space to be able to put furniture and everything there. All right, and I know you're getting excited to see the master bedroom, so let's walk this way and we're gonna go take a peek at that. Closet on the way. All right, let's go back to the master bedroom. And it's a really nice size bedroom. You can put a king size bed, large nightstands, and you can even have another sitting area. It's that big. So without furniture, it's difficult to see, but if you want to go to Promenade at 5.com and look on the website, you can see this home furnished, and you'll get a better idea of the use of space. So I also want to point out that this room has the tray ceiling, and we've got a lot of nice trim work here. Chris, our carpenter, does a fantastic job, and he is, hope he never leaves, because everybody loves the work that we do there. Okay, all right, so let's pop into the closet and bathroom area here. I know that's really important to most people. So we've got a double shelved closet here. Really nice. It goes back on either side of these doors, so it's a really nice lot of space here. We've got the slide rail so your hangers don't get caught up on anything there. And then over here we have a nice walk-in closet that is closed off with a pocket door, so you don't lose any space behind where the door would open up. All right, and now the shower area. Come on in. Just want to also point out that we've got a nice big double vanity here If you look in you can decorate here with some really pretty things here when you get the home. And we've got the light fixtures. All of the light fixtures that you're seeing in here are all standard. They're the brush nipple look, and they all look very nice. We have two linen closets, and we've got one here in the master bedroom, and we have another one in the hallway for the extra hall bath. And if you're looking here at the shower, we did a fantastic job with this. Franciscus loves the look of an open shower, and we have that here in the master. And in the hall, we have a tub, so if you want that, you can go to the hall bath if you wanted to take a bath. But we've got really some different selections. This one, you can see the title that we chose to have the home ready. We can have this home ready for you in 30 to 45 days, or even sooner if it would be a cash sale. So we've got the European head shower with the pull away to rinse off, and you can put that right back up, and the shelving comes standard. So we think we've done a great job with that. Most people seem to really love this bathroom. Come on, let's go out here. And I just want to show you the other second bedroom. It's a good size. Again, it's not furnished, so it's difficult to really tell the true size, but it is a nice bedroom. So this is a total of 3 bedrooms, 1,774 wonderful square feet. And we hope that you'll give us a call to take a look at this. We're open by appointment, and Shelley and I will help you any way we can.